Here is Seoul, South Korea. I'm Junghee from Hello K Cooking Class. Are you looking for something different flavor of salad dressing? Mayonnaise, balsamic. Isn't it boring? Easy, simple, but different and tasty. Today, I'm making Korean style salad. Let's talk about our ingredients. Lettuce, radish, cucumber, garlic, chili powder, Korean style, right? And sugar, roasted sesame seed, and soy sauce, and vinegar, sesame oil. So hey guys, let's get started. So we need to cut radish first. I'm using half of this one. I'm using 150 grams of radish. How do we cut this one? Thinly slice. So move to the big bowl. Then cucumber, I'm adding just half, 80 grams. And then of course, thinly sliced. If you don't like eating the skin, you can just peel off. But I'm using if you don't really like cucumber, you can just add onions. Yeah, and cucumber. And lettuce as much as you can, but I'm adding around 60 grams, just like with your hand. Break it. So you can ask me like, oh Junghee, you don't really add fruit? You know what? Korean eat this salad with rice, but you can just add without rice. Well, fruit with rice, the combination is, I don't really think that it's good. So yeah. So just mix. The freshy vegetable. So now, with tablespoon, I'm adding 1 teaspoon of chili powder. If you don't make it spicy, you can just skip that one. But you know, this one is Korean way. And half to 1 spoon of garlic. I love garlic, so I add a little bit more. Sugar. 1 big tablespoon of sugar, and I will check it out later, and if I need more I will add. And soy sauce, let's add 1, 2, 3. Well, actually 2.5. Vinegar. Also, I'm adding 2 spoons of vinegar. 1, 2. Then we can check first, and then I will add a little bit more. So let's mix. If you make this one, you can eat straight away. No mayo, no oil, so it's really light. If you have any allergy of soy, you can add fish sauce or salt. Look at this color, pretty, right? So I need to try. It's tasty. It's perfect. If you need more sweetness, you can add a little bit more sugar. If you need more saltiness, you can add soy sauce and sour vinegar. Well, hey guys, it is really tasty. So I'm adding sesame seed and like one. Well, this is quite optional. If you want to eat a light salad, you can just eat straight away. I mean, you can just eat like this. But if you need a little bit more flavor thing, you can add 1 or 2 drops of sesame oil and mix. So hey guys, really tasty. Simple, right? Just the veggie and soy sauce, vinegar, sugar, chili powder, you know, like sesame oil, a little bit of garlic. That's it. Hey guys, it's done. Thank you for watching my channel. See you next time. Bye bye. As I told you, Korean is this salad with rice. Have you heard about bibimbap? You know, with this salad, it can be perfect bibimbap because bibimbap means mixed rice with a lot of things. So with this fresh vegetable, let's make bibimbap. I'm so excited. So to the rice, let's add this salad. Then you can add fried egg and just a little of sesame oil and it's mixed. Oh my god, it's so good. The smell is amazing. So here guys. 1 big spoon of rice with salad. Look at it. Sorry, I'm eating.